In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use void fragments here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is make your way over to any of the teleporters around the map. You need to go specifically to Shibuya Station. So go ahead and make your way here. And once you're here, look specifically for the Limitless Trainer. It's going to be on top of this building right here, kind of next to where the Limitless Sorcerer actually spawns in. So make your way up here. You're going to see the trainer located around the very edge of the building. And of course, once you're here, you need to go ahead and complete some quests from this guy first. You need to kill 350 NPCs. You got to use abilities or items 350 times. And you also have to complete the required limitless, sorcerer kills as well. I think it's about 10 times that you got to go ahead and take out Gojo right here. But take him out. And then, of course, after you do that, you'll be able to use all those materials, like, for example, the Void Fragment, to get yourself the Gojo ability. But that's really the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.